Good morning. Thanks to ICT Academy for giving an opportunity to all of us to meet virtually to learn something very important by the first year students who have joined Amrita. First, Amrita and ICT Academy jointly welcome the first year students. You are coming under a special category in our lifetime because you have started your college life virtually with no opportunity for lively experience. I congratulate all of you for having done an amazing job staying positive through this challenging time of COVID-19 pandemic. Your persistence, determination, and resilience will take you far in the coming years. Stay safe in 2021 during your regular college program. Why this Get Set Go? Guiding freshers in effective planning for building a successful career is the objective of this Get Set Go program. Friends, so far you lived in your virtual student life almost for a couple of months and you have started attending your regular classes from 8th February 2021, that is from yesterday, following the COVID 19 norms released by the government of Tamil Nadu. The only gift of the year 2020 is that it has opened all avenues to students and staff for self sustainable and remote learning. Now, every student has learned to study online courses of their interest, matching their interest, and earn certification. ICT Academy has the fullest resources to support interested learners in building a powerful career. Somewhere I saw that this Get Set Go program is offered to the students, that is, freshers studying in ICT Academy member institutions. It says Amrita is one of the ICT Academy member institutions. I am expecting a different scenario where ICT Academy will partner with every single student directly without the institution's involvement in future through special arrangements because of diversity in needs of individuals. Get Set Go program will help every student, every fresher to understand that progress through studies is possible only when you take up every activity during your course of study, which promotes positive attitude and kindles an excitement in you towards learning more and deeper. Vision of ICT Academy is to make every student pursuing higher education to become highly successful in the technology front to meet the emerging requirements of the modern industry. Please note that college is not the same as higher secondary school where you studied your 12th class. One of the main goals of the college education is learning how to learn on your own. I repeat, one of the main goals of a college education is learning how to learn on your own. For this, effective time management skill is required to manage all aspects of your life, including your college life, work, and social opportunities. Time management is not actually difficult, but you need to learn how to manage your time well. With more information technology tools, time management task has become easier and more effective. We want every student, every fresher to understand the basic principles of time management and planning. Understand the relationship between your goals and time management. And to consider how your priorities impact your time. Even an unattended ordinary job will become high priority job sometime. And you must know how to assess your current use of time for better planning. And you may use calendar planner or daily to-do list available in your mobile for planning your study tasks and manage your time effectively. And there are good number of time management tips and strategies available. It is very important to learn to identify the postponement behaviors within you, the postponement behaviors and strategies within you. And only when you are able to identify those behaviors within you, you can avoid them. Otherwise, you will be more inclined towards postponing things without doing. So finally, if you do all these things, you will identify your time management personality. Every individual has a different, unique time management personality, and you must identify your time management personality. Please understand, effective time management will provide answers to many questions often raised by students, such as how do I know if I am spending too much time on a certain assignment? Yes, poor time management. What are some strategies for keeping a to do list from growing more out of control? Where can I find an online study group? What are the best ways to take notes and study for online exams? How can I interact with my professor since moving completely online? I am missing the company of my classmates during these virtual classes. Any suggestions? How can I keep and how can I stay motivated to complete my homework? Yes. For all these questions, motivation is very, very important, and that will help you to manage your time more effectively. I want to remind you about a book which I have read long back. The title of the book is Discover the Diamond in You. It was written by Mr. Arindam Chaudhary. He says there are four C's of grading the human diamond. First C is carrot. Second C is cut. Third C is color. Fourth C is clarity. Let me tell you something about what he has mentioned with regard to carrot. Carrot. He says passion and positive energy are the two attributes which determine the carrot, which is a quality of the diamond. So, passion and positive energy. Here, I want to talk to you about the passion you have towards something you have taken up. There are many things that you do in your life. Not everything will catch your eye. Some of the things which you do in your life will catch your eye. But a few will catch your heart. Identify those during your career building process and pursue those items. It becomes your passion, really. Ignite your passion and chase it passionately. all your passion will go waste if it is not backed by good amount of positive energy. Energy comes from two resources. One resource is within you, that is self motivation, and the another resource is from outside, like through attending programs like Get Set Go. ICT Academy is not only conducting this Get Set Go program, it conducts very useful programs to motivate you, to equip each and every student to become successful in the technology front. Programs like Takathon, Skill Leads, a powerful youth talk program, skill development seminars, digital seminar series like Sky Campus. These are all powerful tools packed with lot of positive energies. So I want all my students to partner with ICT Academy in order to get filled with positive energy. Wishing you all the best as you embark upon your new career. Thank you.